My name is Irankunda. I am a Burundian. I live in the United States in Atlanta, Georgia. And I'm here currently on vacation with a group trip here in Burundi. The Burundi Hub had a conference with Burundian girls, and so they're in a competition to be picking the first Miss Burundi Tech 2018, and I was there to inspire the girls, to talk to them, to let them know that there are more women out there who are supporting them and encouraging them to do more in tech, and also inspiring them to continue what they're doing. I believe that the tech industry is something that women all over the world are not in or a part of, and I think that's something that it's a mindset that we need to continue to work to change, because I do believe women are really intelligent, sometimes more intelligent than men, but hey, that's just me saying it. But that I was there to inspire the girls and let them know that me as a female, I started at a young age. Yeah. On my side, I think any industry would move faster if there's women. I don't know if that's just me being biased, but I do believe that Burundian women, I think there's a generational kind of curse where we were taught not to speak out or do things that challenge us. And so the tech industry, we don't know what we're capable of, we don't know what the possibilities that we can do, how strong our mind is. And so yes, I think, looking at where the tech industry in Burundi is now, look at Natasha, look how far she has gotten it to be since she joined. That is a great example of how far or how farther we can go once a woman steps in. And so I definitely agree. They'll move a lot faster, quicker, stronger, and more efficient as well. The question is not if I think Burundian women can. The question is, why aren't they? What's stopping us? Who's stopping us? I think that's a better question, because I have gotten myself, I'm not at the top, but I think I've gotten myself to a point where, other women can say, oh my God, if she can do it, I can do it too, which is a platform where I continue to work on every day to try to get better at. And so, the question is not if they can, the question is why aren't they? We need to find the reason. Why aren't they getting to that platform? Is there somebody stopping them? Burundian 257 is an organization that began in 2015. It was basically a Burundian youth in the US. We were tired of waiting for other people to host events for Burundians, and to the point where we said, why are we waiting? Let's do things ourselves. What does it take? Does it take money? Does it take hard work? We can do that. It doesn't take much. And so we connected with other youth in other states that we haven't seen in a long time. And so once we connected with them, we wanted to have a reunion. And then we called it 257 because it's Burundi's country code. That began in 2015. We just finished our 4th year in Kentucky. We worked hand in hand with an organization called Tuvugane, which is also another youth organization. And when that happened 2 weeks ago in Kentucky, we got about 450 youth at the event to come, which was an amazing experience, something that we have never done before. The way that we work, every year we go to different states and we work with different leaders and community associations and organizations in that state. And that way we're promoting partnerships, and which is why we're also here. Reunion 257 is here in Burundi now to connect with different organizations and different groups of people, so that way we can continue building and putting Burundi on the map all over, not just in the communities we're in, but across the diaspora. My message to Burundian girls and women is, don't be afraid. Don't be scared. Don't think something is impossible. Don't think that your idea is too big or too small. There's no such thing as that. All you have to do is start. Just begin. You need to network. You need to connect with other people. just start, because that is the hardest thing to do. Once you begin, there will be challenges. Of course, there's challenges. There's challenges everywhere, but you can get over it. Never give up. Just begin and keep going.